You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it.
Today's lesson is going to take a look at how to take the iPad and reset it to either the factory settings or reset it completely so that when you want to sell it or give it away, none of your personal information remains on the iPad. In other words, it gets reset and wiped completely. So to begin, we're going to tap the settings button. And that takes us to settings, and if we take a look, the general settings are what we want to look at, and we're going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and at the bottom is the reset. So we're going to tap that, and you can see that at the top there are two different options. One is reset all settings, and one would do that if you wanted to start over with your iPad but not have to start by setting the language and the time zone, etc., etc. It basically lets you re-add your apps and set up your email again. Erasing all content and settings is what one would do if they were going to pass this iPad on to someone else and you want to make sure that your material, your personal information, and any other content on the iPad is wiped completely from the iPad. So that's what we're going to do with this iPad. We're going to wipe it clean. So I'm going to tap Erase All Content and Settings, and I'm going to tap it again, and it says, "Are you sure?" And I'm going to say Erase. And as you can see, the iPad, and we're getting a little reflection of the camera, the iPad is wiping itself, and it's completely wiped. And if we turn it on again, which I'll do, see the apple comes on, and when it turns on again you'll see that it's ready to be set up from the very beginning. And that just takes a minute, and there we are. So as you can see, it's been wiped completely, and we're starting over with a brand new iPad.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it.